Here at Stress Engineering Services, we are passionate about solving problems and utilizing our experience from almost 50 years of material, process, and component qualifications across many different industries. Since 1972, Stress Engineering Services has been providing solutions for companies and industries that require in-depth technical knowledge and proven performance in the fields of engineering, design and analysis, thermal and fluid sciences, instrumentation, materials, and testing. Problem solving is what we do and what we deliver. It is our commitment to provide the most comprehensive qualification, verification, and validation programs through the application of design, analysis, and testing expertise to help solve complex technical challenges for a variety of industries, including aerospace, defense, medical, energy, nuclear, and automotive. Our advanced design and analysis capabilities allows us to simulate field conditions and predict a component's static and dynamic response. We are also able to simulate specific manufacturing processes, given the ability to analyze both the process itself and resulting product, saving time with unneeded builds. We have a complete material science department, as well as a multiple material characterization and full-scale testing laboratories capable of subjecting test components to environmental conditions where their response can be monitored using our state-of-the-art sensors and data acquisition systems. With an ISO 17025 accredited polymer characterization test lab hosting a large inventory of advanced testing equipment, we can replicate a wide range of operational conditions to characterize material and component responses. Our staff is comprised of experts skilled in a wide range of engineering disciplines, which allows for a multidisciplinary approach to innovative problem solving.